My missus showed me Temu a couple days ago, so I decided to go ahead and buy a couple woodworking tools. And at the first time, I thought that's definitely gonna be a scam, but package here. Let's have a look. This one, that's definitely the magnets. I've got the magnetic bit holder or screw holder and a bunch of knives. That's all from this packaging. They're definitely gonna come handy. They've got a tiny hole in here so you can screw it, let's say, to our doors, and you can make a nice magnetic catch. You got that 30-degree angle, pretty much same as my Alpha, but this one is definitely much lighter. Is a cheap quality, but well, if it costs you less than a 25p, this one is much better. But for less than £1, it looks okay. Magnetic bit, which can come like this, and if you're gonna put the screw on, so it's easier if you need to reach it somewhere, and it costs only 98p, so I think it's definitely worth the money. And there is a lot of more good stuff, I think. First thing from a box, I bought it because, well, I thought it's gonna be nice to use it for the wood turning. It's kind of pretty weird mask, which you can actually put it on in a weird way and look like an alien, but well, it's not getting the mist on it, so maybe it's gonna work. For price around £3, probably it should be alright. The next one, so these are the groove and tongue jointing router bit. So they're coming in a 2 pieces. So the one is for making tongue, the other one is for making groove, I suppose. There it is. Well, not super accurate, with the overall price of a £7.50, something like that. That's pretty cheap. The next one, we get square guide for a track saw. It looks pretty nice. It's made out of aluminum, pretty heavy. It's nice anodized red color on it, and I've got a couple knobs in here, so let's assemble it and try it with my rail. They look pretty nice. Now we can slide it either way. And it looks like it's not gonna fit my Festal track, so I'm gonna try with my other track. This is my Parkside track. It's a little against this edge underneath, so let's tie them up. And this should be pretty much square. to be honest. For me, it looks nice and square. So let's move to another one. I didn't want to have one of these for quite a long time. And yes, that's what I was thinking about. It's doing its job properly. Doesn't leave any marks in here. So I'm pretty happy. I did want one of these for a really long time, but they were cost like I don't know, 20 something, 30 pounds. This one cost me only like 7, maybe 8. Well, I'm happy. So the next, I grabbed the countersink and let's see how well they're working. Well, yeah, it does the job pretty well. So they definitely gonna come handy. Okay, let's start with the bigger one. That's the package. And let's open it up. Nice foamy stuff to protect. And here you go. So this is routed table insert. But I'm looking in the box. Wow. Top is really nice. It's a solid piece of aluminum. Looks okay. It's pretty small. I thought it's gonna be much bigger. Probably I should read the description. I've got the 2 bushings, which they're going here. They fit pretty nicely. We've got in here the cheapest miter gauge, which is going here. It's supposed to go here. Oh, Jesus. Not miter gauge, that's probably nothing that you wanna really use. Just push it away. And the other bit is a fence, which is well, it looks super cheap and it's extremely small. I don't think so that this fence will move all the way back. It should get to the markings they made, but it's going halfway through. Well, you're getting what you pay for. Let's get to another one. The router lift. And I hope this stuff is gonna get in here. Otherwise, that was a waste of money. How the heck am I gonna lock it? So if I try now
lower it down or lift it, it works pretty well. Once I'm gonna put the router bit in and that tiny little insert. You got a pretty nice action. Oh. Yeah, but I can see the issue straight away. It's off center, so the first impression was pretty okay. I was a little bit impressed, but when I start to look more closely for the details and everything, it's a little bit off square. Well, the plate itself, yeah, okay, it's fine. It's a solid piece of aluminium. It's anodized. You got the scale, which you can't really use with original crappy fence, but anyway, no one probably would use that. This mighty guide or whatever, that looks like a joke, so yeah, I'm just gonna chuck it away. So yeah, some of the parts are good, some of them they are literally you know. So yeah, let's move to the last one, and this is a tiny bit. That's my adjustable square. It's a solid chunk of aluminum, pretty thick. It got a magnet in the middle, got a nice twisty knob in here. I got loads of old metal rulers, and you can just pop it in, lock it either way on the both sides, because here you have a nice and square. Here you have a 45 degrees. On this side you got the 45 on this edge, and a nice stride here. That's a 600, but the width is same, so it's gonna fit nicely here. So now we have like a pretty long square, and let's try with this one. Is a little bit wider, and unfortunately I can't use it in the longest one, but let's try this one. Go in here my squares, and moment of truth. Yeah, it looks dead on. That's definitely gonna come really handy. So this is my specific opinion about this product from Temu. Let me know in the comment down below if you like some of them, if you had them already in your shopping list. If so, hopefully you're gonna have a little bit of more knowledge about the quality, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Cheers. Oh, one more thing. Abracadabra.